Hello, my desktop publishing students. This is your second charts assignment, and it is SR7-31. And it says, and I've already keyed the values in because I was going to save time on the video. But here the instructions said, click in cell A1, and it said key in May 1, comma, space, and put in 2019. I know it says 2016, but change it to 2019. Now watch when you press enter. You see that there's a format on this column that put it in to put month, or pardon me, day, month, year. So go ahead, drag it down, and you should have it dragged all the way down to May 15. Now it said select your dates. Mine are already selected, so I'm going to right click. We're going to go to Format Cells, and it says go to Date. No, it didn't. It said go to Custom, and you are supposed to choose Day, Month. So you want just the day and the month, not the year. It's still there, but all you're going to show is the day and the month. Here, this is what was on it before, day, month, year, and it showed it. And the year was in 2 digits, so that's why you see only 19. And the MMM stands to write the month out in full, so it wrote May out in full. And DD stands for 2 digits in the day, and that's why you've got 01, 02, 03, 04. All right, so now we want this one, just the day and the month. So say OK, and now you see the day as 2 digits, and you see the month written out in full. All right, that's good. So now it says we're going to make a chart. So therefore it says select cells. So click in cell A4, hold down your shift key, and click in cell B18. So we've got the data selected, and now we want to go to insert, and you want a line chart. Okay, so we're going to go to line, and we want line with markers. Okay, line with markers. All right, so choose that, and there's your chart for you. Okay, so now I'm going to add a few more things as we go in here, but first of all it says make sure you're on the chart, which we are, and it said go to the design tab, so make sure you're here on the design tab, and then you're to go to the quick layouts. Now we've looked at these before. You can hover over and look at them all, and the one they told you to choose was layout number 3. All right, so choose layout number 3. I'm going to put a fill in this chart, just a light fill, just so that, okay, purple's all right, or whatever color, just so it's easier for you to see. And now it asked you to move it. So click on your four-headed arrow and drag it down, and it says take it to about A20, but I'm going to leave mine a little bit closer than that. I'm about A19. You can see that I've got it here. All right, and now it says drag out the corner, so I go to K34. All right, so now when I go to K34, okay, I won't go to quite K34 at this point in time. Well, yes, okay, go to K34. Okay, I see dashed lines on here, so that's why I've got to stay within those dashed lines. And if you see any dashed lines, stay within them too. So I'm going to go back up here a little bit to about 32. We can't get to 34 because I've got my view up to 120%. So you maybe can get to 34, but I can't. So I'm just going to stay within those dashed lines, which are telling me where the page is going to end. And you can do the same. Now it says click in a blank cell and go Control S to save. All right. So now we want to go to page layout. Okay, go to page layout. Go to orientation, and I've already got landscape, so you check yours. Yours is likely on portrait, so make sure you've got landscape. And now you should be able to see the dashed lines that came on here and the dashed lines. So make sure your chart fits within those dashed lines. All right, so now we want to click on the line. Okay, click on the line, right click, go to Format Data Series. So now your selection pane should be on the right hand side, and you've got Format Data Series. All right, so what we want to do is we want to go to the Fill and Line button. And right now I'm on line, because you can tell I'm on line because it's green. All right, so I can choose a color for my line, solid line. I'm going to make mine burgundy. And it says make it 3 points, so I'll make it 3 points. So there it is. You can choose what width you want to make yours. Now I want to go to marker. So marker is black. So now when I click on marker, it's green. So I know I'm in the marker. And the same thing, marker options. Got to be green. All right, choose the built-in. And we can choose, you've seen from class, you've seen the diamond and the triangle. So this time let's choose the square. But you can choose whatever you want. Now type in 10 for the size and press enter just so you can see it, okay? Press enter and now it's very large, but that's okay. I just want you to see it large. And the marker fill color, okay, I'm going to choose burgundy. They say the marker should always match the color line, so I used burgundy. And then it asks you to put on a border. So I'm going to use yellow because I think that it'll show up well and easy for you to see. Now you can barely see my line, but it's there. So I'm going to size it up to, about 2. There. I went to 1.75 or 2. That's good. So you can definitely see the yellow line. I'm going to click off for a second, and now you can see the yellow border on your marker. And then I'll click back on your line again. All right, so now we'll click in as cell and we will go Control S to save. All right, on the next part, it said add a shadow to the line. Okay, so we're going to click on the line and now you're going to go here to Effects and shadows turned on there. So now it told you to go and choose Offset Bottom. Okay, in the outer group, this is offset bottom. See the screen tip? Offset bottom. So choose that. I also want you to choose a color for this one. So I'm going to choose green. And now do you see my green line on here? Now you know that you can play with the angle of the line. You can change that, okay? You can play with the distance and you can make it look totally different. Okay? And I want to go up here a little bit so you can still see it. All right. So you can play with those. That's fine. And now it says select the chart title. So we're going to go to the chart title. And it said put in website hits. Okay. So that's what we want to do. So we're going to type in website hits. Okay. And now you're at the end. Go shift home. And let's make it, I'm going to make it burgundy to stay in the same color pattern as what I had. So I'm going to go to burgundy here. And I think it said make it whatever size I want. So I'm going to make it about size 24. Okay. And bold and italics. Okay, that's good there. All right. And I maybe want to move it over in the corner or leave it in the center where you've got it. Like you can try it here and that doesn't look bad, but I think it did look better in this. Oh, I didn't mean to grab that. It looked better here in the center. Okay. Oh. All right. You can decide where you want yours. And it asks you to delete series 1, the legend. So go to the legend and press delete. And your legend is gone. All right, so that's fine. Click in a blank cell and go Control S to save. All right, so now we're going to add an axis title. All right, so we want an axis title on the primary horizontal. So we want to be on our chart. We want to go to Design and we want to say Add Chart Element and we want an axis title, primary horizontal. All right. And it asks you to key in May 1st through May 15th. So you want to put in May 1 and through, THROUGH, May 15. All right, that's good. Let's go shift home. And I'm going to make it also burgundy. So I'm going to go to Home. I'm going to make it burgundy. And I'm going to make it about size 14. All right. And I'll put bold on it. That's good. I maybe didn't need to make it that big, but I wanted to. So let's click there. And that all looks good. All right, so click in the spreadsheet and save it. Okay, now click on the chart area. So click on the chart area. Make sure it says Format Chart Area so that you can see that. All right, and now we're going to, I want to go here, and I want to take you to Format this time, okay? We're going to go to Format, and the grid lines I can hardly see, all right? So I'm going to pretend I can't see them. So I'm going to go here, and I want to choose the vertical, no, I want my category. No, I have to change my mind. These grid lines are here. See if I can get them. Yes, I got them there. Okay, so I clicked on the grid lines right there, and I'm going to choose, I'm going to choose purple, and let's see, is this too strong? Almost. I'm going to choose a lighter purple. I'm going to go down to about here. Okay, so I can see the grid lines now. There's your horizontal grid lines, all right? So now we want to go and we want to add some more grid lines. So here we want to go and we want to go to grid lines, and I've already got the primary major horizontals. Those are the purple ones. So I want primary grid lines and I want primary major vertical. Okay, now they're there, but I can't see them. All right, so they're not dark enough for me to see. So I'm going to go here, Format Major Grid Lines, and I want to choose the vertical ones, and that's what I'm on right now. So I'm going to choose the color, and maybe I'll make these ones orange. No, I got burgundy there. I'll choose burgundy. Maybe that's not a good plan. No, I'll go with green. Okay, and look at that. It made my, and I'm just about out of time. I wanted the verticals. Hold on here. Vertical axis, solid line. Okay, orange. Okay, it's giving me the other ones. All right, so now let me go back here and let me choose the horizontal. And now the horizontal went orange. Why can't I see my verticals? Okay, so now I want the vertical. I don't want it to be orange. I want it to be purple. Wow. Okay, I got to stop here and check out why I can't get the verticals. All right, I'm out of time, so I'm going to stop, and then we'll come back there and finish that off.